Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with a minute video. If I can do this, I got to tell you how powerful this stuff is. We're working on this backhoe. Put the cleaner on. We're going to do just a couple spots. We're going to do one up here too. Nasty. Look how dirty that was. I guarantee you, this has never been done to this plastic. Let that dry, and all you do is this. And we could have cleaned it better if we wanted, but we're not going to. We're just going to show you how awesome this looks compared to the nastiness. So you can use it on different colored plastic if you want as well. And all you do is take your microfiber. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Busca en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, and all the other names you have. You just buff it out. That's how that's going to look forever. Hopefully they don't make me do the whole thing.